Water is life. This simple truth has shaped civilizations since the dawn of humanity. Ancient cities bustling with people needed water to survive. Water meant more than just drinking. It was essential for sanitation, agriculture, and industry. Without a reliable water source, cities couldn't grow. Rivers and wells could only provide so much. As Rome expanded, it faced a critical challenge, quenching the thirst of a growing population. The Romans, however, were extraordinary engineers. They found a solution in a groundbreaking innovation, the aqueduct. These architectural marvels would redefine urban living and cement Rome's legacy as a technological superpower. Imagine a vast network of channels stretching for miles across hills and valleys, carrying millions of gallons of fresh water. That was the Roman aqueduct system. More than just pipes, aqueducts were feats of engineering and logistical prowess. These structures were primarily built from stone, brick, and a special type of waterproof concrete that the Romans invented. The aqueducts used gravity to transport water. They followed a gentle downward slope from their source, usually a spring or lake in the mountains, to the city. This ingenious design required meticulous planning and surveying. Roman engineers had to account for the terrain, ensuring a consistent gradient to maintain water flow. They also had to overcome various geographical obstacles, requiring bridges, tunnels, and siphons to keep the water flowing. Building these aqueducts was a monumental task. It involved quarrying massive stones, transporting them long distances, and assembling them with incredible precision. Roman engineers developed innovative techniques, like using wooden scaffolding and cranes powered by men or animals. One of the most striking features of Roman aqueducts was their arches. These elegant structures weren't just for show, they provided essential support, allowing the aqueducts to span valleys and rivers while minimizing the number of ground supports needed. The aqueducts weren't just about brute strength, they also incorporated clever design elements. Settling tanks along the route allowed sediment to settle out, keeping the water clean. Ventilation shafts prevented the buildup of potentially dangerous gases. The journey of water through a Roman aqueduct was a testament to Roman ingenuity. It began at the source, often a spring chosen for its purity and abundance. From there, the water flowed through a channel, carefully lined with waterproof materials like clay or concrete. The aqueduct followed the contours of the land, sometimes running underground, sometimes elevated on arches. Along the way, it might pass through tunnels carved through hills or mountains. In some cases, siphons were used to carry water across valleys. Finally, after a journey of sometimes hundreds of miles, the water arrived in the city. It flowed into distribution tanks, which then supplied various parts of the urban center. This constant flow of fresh water was the lifeblood of Roman cities. Section 5. A city transformed, public amenities, and urban life. The arrival of aqueducts revolutionized Roman cities. It wasn't just about having enough water to drink. Aqueducts brought water to public baths, fountains, and even private homes. This transformed public health and sanitation. Public baths, grand complexes with pools of varying temperatures, became centers of social life. They were accessible to all, from the wealthy to the common people. Fountains, once purely functional, became decorative elements, adding beauty and grandeur to the cityscape. Aqueducts also allowed for the development of sophisticated sewage systems. Water flushed waste from latrines, improving sanitation and reducing the spread of disease. This contributed to a higher standard of living and a longer lifespan for city dwellers. Section 6. Beyond compare Roman ingenuity versus the world. While other ancient civilizations like the Egyptians and Greeks also developed water management systems, Roman aqueducts stand apart in their scale, sophistication, and impact on society. The Egyptians relied heavily on the Nile, creating intricate irrigation systems to harness its waters, while the Greeks built smaller, localized aqueducts. However, the Romans took these concepts to an entirely new level, constructing monumental aqueducts that spanned vast distances and supplied water to millions. No other civilization came close to matching the Romans in their ability to transport vast quantities of water over such long distances. Their aqueducts were marvels of engineering, utilizing precise gradients and arches to maintain a steady flow of water. These structures not only demonstrated their technical expertise, but also their ability to mobilize resources and labor on an unprecedented scale. The Roman Empire's vastness is a testament to the success of their aqueduct technology. Stretching from the deserts of North Africa to the forests of Germany, these aqueducts were crucial in sustaining the empire's far-flung cities and military outposts. They enabled the Romans to establish and maintain a presence in diverse and challenging environments. From the scorching deserts of North Africa to the cooler climates of Northern Europe, aqueducts enabled Roman expansion and dominance. These structures were not just functional, they were symbols of Roman power and ingenuity. They allowed cities to flourish in places where natural water sources were scarce, supporting public baths, fountains, and even private households. This wasn't just about engineering prowess. The construction of these aqueducts required meticulous planning, advanced surveying techniques, and a deep understanding of hydraulics. Roman engineers were able to overcome natural obstacles such as mountains and valleys, often building tunnels and bridges to ensure a continuous water supply. It was about the Roman vision of a civilized society. The Romans believed that access to clean water was a fundamental right for all citizens, reflecting their commitment to public welfare and urban development. This vision was a driving force behind their extensive infrastructure projects. Public access to clean water was a core Roman value, unlike in many other ancient cultures where such resources were often controlled by the elite. In Rome, water was made available to everyone through public fountains and baths, promoting hygiene and public health. This egalitarian approach set the Romans apart and contributed to the longevity and stability of their civilization. Section 7. The enduring legacy, aqueducts in modern times. The Roman Empire may be long gone, but its legacy lives on in the ruins of its aqueducts. These ancient structures, built with remarkable precision and foresight, have withstood the test of time. They are not just relics of a bygone era, but are also a source of inspiration for modern engineering and architecture. These structures, still standing after centuries, continue to inspire awe and wonder. Tourists from around the world visit these sites, marveling at the ingenuity and craftsmanship that went into their construction. The sheer scale and durability of these aqueducts are a testament to the advanced engineering skills of the Romans. They are a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to overcome challenges with innovation. Modern engineers study these ancient aqueducts to understand the techniques used and to draw inspiration for contemporary projects. The Romans' use of arches, gravity, and precise calculations continues to influence modern engineering practices. The principles of gravity-fed water transport pioneered by the Romans are still used in modern engineering. Today's aqueducts, though more advanced and constructed with modern materials, owe much to the foundational principles established by the Romans. These systems ensure that water is efficiently transported over long distances, providing essential resources to urban and rural areas alike. Many cities around the world have updated versions of aqueducts, carrying water from distant sources to meet the needs of their populations. These modern aqueducts are crucial for sustaining large urban centers, ensuring that millions of people have access to clean water. The integration of technology and ancient principles has led to more efficient and reliable water transport systems. The influence of Roman aqueducts can also be seen in our language and culture. They have become symbols of engineering excellence and human achievement, frequently appearing in literature, films, and art. Museums around the world feature exhibits dedicated to these marvels of ancient engineering, educating the public about their historical significance. The word aqueduct itself comes from the Latin words for water, aqua, and conduit, ductus. This etymology reflects the primary function of these structures, to transport water. The Romans' linguistic legacy is just as enduring as their architectural one, with many modern terms in engineering and construction tracing their roots back to Latin. These structures have inspired countless works of art, literature, and film. From grand paintings to detailed sculptures, the Roman aqueducts continue to capture the imagination of artists and creators. Their enduring presence in popular culture underscores their significance as both historical and cultural icons. Section 8. Lessons from the Past, Water Management for the Future. In an era of climate change and growing water scarcity, the lessons from Roman aqueducts are more relevant than ever. These ancient structures, built over 2,000 years ago, were marvels of engineering and foresight. They transported water over long distances from mountain springs to bustling cities, ensuring that even the most arid regions had access to this vital resource. The Romans' ability to manage water resources sustainably is a testament to their advanced understanding of hydraulics and urban planning. The Romans understood the importance of sustainable water management, ensuring a continuous supply for their cities even during droughts. Their aqueducts were not just functional but also a symbol of their civilization's ingenuity and resilience. They built reservoirs, cisterns, and distribution systems that allowed them to store and manage water efficiently. This infrastructure supported public baths, fountains, and private households, contributing to the health and prosperity of their society. Today, as we face increasing pressure on our water resources, we can learn from the Romans' long-term vision. Modern cities are grappling with similar challenges, from droughts to population growth, and the need for sustainable water management has never been more critical. By studying the Romans' approach, we can develop strategies that balance immediate needs with future sustainability. This includes investing in advanced technologies, such as smart water grids and desalination plants, as well as promoting policies that encourage water conservation and reuse. Investing in efficient water infrastructure, reducing waste, and promoting conservation are crucial steps to ensure water security for future generations. Modern water treatment plants and conservation efforts are essential components of this strategy. By upgrading our infrastructure and adopting innovative solutions, we can reduce water loss and ensure a reliable supply for all. Public awareness campaigns and education programs can also play a significant role in encouraging responsible water use and fostering a culture of conservation. The story of Roman aqueducts is not just about ancient history. It's a powerful reminder of the enduring human quest for innovation and the solutions we find to overcome challenges. The Romans' achievements in water management continue to inspire engineers, planners, and policymakers today. Their legacy teaches us that with vision, determination, and collaboration, we can address even the most daunting environmental challenges. It's about the enduring human quest for innovation and the solutions we find to overcome challenges. The Romans' ability to harness natural resources and create sustainable systems is a testament to their ingenuity. Today we have the opportunity to build on their legacy by developing new technologies and practices that ensure water security for all. This requires a commitment to research, investment, and international cooperation. It reminds us that even the most complex problems can be solved with ingenuity, planning, and a commitment to the common good. By looking to the past, we can find inspiration and guidance for the future. The Roman aqueducts stand as a testament to what can be achieved when we work together towards a common goal. As we face the challenges of the 21st century, let us draw on this rich history to create a sustainable and resilient future for all. Section 9. Conclusion. A testament to human ingenuity. Roman aqueducts stand as a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to harness the power of nature for the benefit of society. They are a powerful reminder that infrastructure is not just about concrete and steel, it's about improving lives and building a better future. As we look to the future, let us draw inspiration from the Romans and their remarkable aqueducts, striving to create sustainable and equitable water systems for all.